guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable Incognito mode in the four most popular browsers in the CAT S75. So the first one, Microsoft Edge. In this web browser, just click here on the tab icon, switch to the in private, and click on the plus here. That's it. The next one, Firefox. If you have this welcome screen, just click on this little zero mask icon. If you have any tab inside, open it, click on the tab icon, switch to zero mask, and click plus private. The next one, Opera. In the Opera, like before, click on the taskbar icon, switch to the private, and click on the plus. Now the Google Chrome. Just click here on the three dot icon or arrow icon and choose the Incognito tab. And now in this mode, your history, cookies, files, completed forms, even learned the words from the keyboard will be not saved. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe, recommend, and goodbye.